Good day, children! How are you doing today? That's great! It's the last week of November and the first week of December. Are you excited for our Christmas break, children? Yes! Please be reminded to submit your weekly activities and quarterly project on or before December 4, 2021. Are you excited for our new lesson in science today? Very good! Get on, let us learn about Lesson 12, Reproduction in Flowering and Seed-Bearing Plants. In this lesson, you should be able to classify plants as vascular and non-vascular. Explain the modes of reproduction in flowering and seed-bearing plants. Identify the types and modes of pollination. Got it, dear pupils? Great! Look at the pictures of plants. What is common to all plants in the pictures? Could you infer where all the fruits on the plants have come from? What can you say about the role of flowers? How do these plants make more of their kind? Well, let us answer these questions as we learn about the reproduction in flowering plants. Study this concept map about plant classification. Plants can either be non-vascular or vascular. In angiosperms, it is basically the same in animals, including humans. The female gamete or egg cell is fertilized by the male gamete or sperm cell. However, these plants make use of their flowers as the reproductive organs. It occurs through pollination and fertilization that lead to the production of seeds. Flowers come in many different sizes, shapes, and colors, but they all share the same common structural parts that play a beneficial role in the reproduction process. Other plants reproduce through the formation of spores instead of seeds. Examples: ferns, mosses, liverworts, and conifers. In plants, it occurs as new plants grow from vegetative structures such as stems, leaves, bulbs, and roots. Around 3,000 different kinds of flowering plants reproduce sexually. To sum up, what are the two big classification of plants? Correct. Explain the modes of reproduction in flowering and seed-bearing plants. Exactly. What are the types and modes of pollination? Perfect. Let us remember that sexual reproduction in plants make use of flowers. Let us take good care of flowers around us. That is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something today. Thank you and have a good week.